Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love making fresh and healthy Tigernut milk at home, or you're looking to start a small scale business, this video is just for you. By popular demand, today I am reviewing one of the most essential tools for Tigernut lovers, soya milk lovers, and milk lovers, the Tigernut or Soyamilk extractor. We will look at how it works, its price range, who it is perfect for, and of course where you can get one at the best price. So let's get into it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share your thoughts in the comment box for more healthy and active recipes. So what exactly is a Tigernut extractor or Soyamilk extractor? It is a powerful machine designed to grind and separate Tigernut to produce smooth, creamy milk, popularly known as konohaya in Nigeria. This machine comes in different sizes, from manual blenders for home use to automatic high-capacity extractors for commercial production. They help reduce the stress of blending, filtering, and squeezing by hands, so saving time and energy while delivering more milk yield. Now let me show you how it works. Features to look for in a good Tigernut extractor. 1. Stainless steel body, and it must have a powerful motor. It must have a built-in sieve, which I will show you, and then it must be easy to clean. So let's begin by opening it. We have already removed the funnel. The first thing we removed was the funnel. That is what you will see after opening it. You can see that the powerful motor. So I will show you how to lose this and fix it back correctly. That is size 14 spanner. Size 14. Yes, that is what we are going to use to lose that nut out. After losing the nut, then you can see that is another equipment there in the machine. Then that rubber is also there for protection, and that is the sieve. That is the sieve when I mentioned built-in sieve. So it must have this, and the sieve always come in two types. So once this one is dirty and it will, because it will change color eventually, then you can fix in the second sieve, and that is the hole where the milk is going to come out of. You can see that rotating part inside the machine. So let's go ahead and fix it back. You can see that point. You have to make sure the hole on that sieve enters into that point that I pointed at earlier. That is it. So you can see the hole right there. It's very important. Then next you go in with the rubber. After the rubber, the stone structure, yes, that we brought out of it, and then we can now fix back the nut we removed. There are two sides. You can either fix it that way or the other way. Just look at the exact position that I placed the nut. It should be right in the middle, just like that. Then you lock it very tight. That nut we place inside that looks like S, it must fit in that stone machine in an S shape as well before you lock it tightly with your spanner. After that, then you lock it this way. You key it, very important. That is where the milk will come out from, and at the back is where the chaff will come out from. Once you plug it in like that and you turn on your socket, automatically, then that is the funnel. That is the funnel where you are going to pour your slurry, your mixed tiger nut or soya milk. Once you pour it inside that funnel, automatically the milk will come out from the right part while the chaff will come out through the other part. Now let's talk about the price. Price varies depending on the size and capacity. One, we have the manual blenders, which is about 8,500 to 15,000 Nigerian naira. Great for home use. And we also have the mid-range electric machine, which ranges about 150,000 naira to 400,000 Nigerian naira. The third one, we have the large commercial extractor, which is just like the one you're seeing in the video, which ranges between 600,000 naira to 1.1 million naira. So whether you are a home user or a commercial producer, there is a machine that fits your budget. So now, where can you get these machines? You can get them on Jumia, Nigeria, Gigi, Alibaba, Amazon. Don't worry, I will drop all the product links in the description box, so check out the description box below. If you are just starting out in this business, or if you want to learn the secret to making the perfect tiger nut drink, soya milk drink and more, then we have different videos for you. Do check out the description box below. If you found this review helpful, please like this video, subscribe and share it with others who might be interested. And if you've used one before, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in our next video.